and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today I'm going to show you around my bedroom and studio space, which happen to be all in one, and I'm going to show you how I divide it up and use the space efficiently for both living and working. Before we do get into the video though, this video is sponsored by SilkTHX. They make beautiful silk products, mulberry silk products. Why can't I say that? I don't know. Anyway, they offered to send me some products to try out, as well as obviously pay me for the video, which is what sponsored means. I know you guys know that, but like, I'm just awkward, you know? Anyway, they asked me to talk about some of their products, and I've been seriously enjoying that silk pillowcase you see behind me, as well as there's a silk eye mask sitting on my pug pillow at the moment, but I wear that at night. It helps me like actually force my eyes to be closed and go to sleep. I usually put on an ASMR video and just like almost immediately asleep with that thing on. It's not too tight, which happens because I have a big head, and it's so comfortable, and it doesn't, like, the elastic is silk, like covered in silk too, and it doesn't get caught in my hair, which is awesome. Anyway, it's just all around good stuff. They also sent me a beautiful dark gray silk throw, which you'd be thinking, that doesn't seem all that warm. No, you are wrong. It is warm and toasty and feels awesome. Only thing is, I can't let my dog near it because she will, one, love it, and two, probably destroy it. So mostly with her like nails. But anyway, that's just, you know, the sacrifice I have to make. I just put my old duvet on the bed next to it and she gets on that and is perfectly happy. Compromises, right? Anyway, so some of the products they have are those silk pillowcases that I was talking about, an eye mask. You can get a gift set that includes a pillowcase and an eye mask, or you can just get the pillowcases. You can also get silk sheets, duvet covers, a beautiful silk throw, all kinds of stuff, to be honest. They even have like silk pillows, like decorative pillows. They all look gorgeous, and to be honest, I think silk sheets would be pretty friggin' nice. If I didn't have bamboo ones, I think silk would be my next choice. Now, you may be wondering what is so special about using silk for sheets, pillowcases, blankets, throws, all those cool things. Is silk actually has some interesting properties that can help you while you're sleeping, and you get to beautify while you're sleeping. So silk is known to be anti-aging, as well as it is, well, the silk they have is organic, it's anti-static, which, to be honest, is a really good thing to have in the winter time because the air is dry, your hair is like rolling all over your pillowcase, and then you wake up in the morning and your hair is just like zapping you as you move it and it's like standing up everywhere. It's not a good look for anybody. On top of that, using a silk pillowcase can actually be really good for your hair because it cuts down on the friction of your hair like rubbing against the pillowcase, and it can prevent your hair from breaking off a lot easier. So those all sound like wonderful things to me, and I have seriously been enjoying sleeping with my silk pillowcase. They're easy to wash. To be honest, they're probably easier to wash than some other like bedding products I've had. You literally just put that in the washing machine at like the cold setting. You don't wash it in hot water. Put it in the cold setting and then hang it to dry. Or you can put it in the dryer and just put it on like air fluff and it dries. You don't have to use any heat whatsoever, which makes it a little bit more efficient to wash it in the first place. Now, the wonderful people at SilkTHX have actually offered a 10% discount code for you guys. It is, I've got my phone here with my notes, so I don't leave anything out. The code is THXMD for 10% off. I will put it in the description box, as long as like the links to the products I have. You're going to see them a little bit more in detail once we get into the video. I mean, I've been attempting to record this section for like 17 minutes and not being able to talk properly, so hopefully I'll be able to cut about 10 of those minutes out and we'll get into a good, awesome video of you wandering around my room, right? Okay. So this is my bed, probably my favorite spot in my room, and the frame is from Amazon, and it's specifically made for fat people. I will link it in case anybody else wants to get it. It's been pretty great so far. My bedding is IKEA and HomeSense and I don't know, other random places. I have the SilkTHX throw on there right now because my dog is not in my bed, and it means I get to be warm and cozy. The bedside tables are from IKEA as well. They matched my old bed that I broke, and there's just other random junk on my bedside table. Moving up to my gallery wall, I recently added these fairy lights you would have noticed in the backgrounds of some of my videos. They're from Amazon. I'll link them. I think they're back in stock. All of the art is either something I've collected when I was in New York City or on other travels or from local artists. I couldn't link them. I don't know where they are from. Across from my bed, we have my full-length mirror, which has my cheapo studio lights, which are just some Home Depot work lamps that I got for like $17 with some daylight bulbs in there. And it works pretty well on a budget for me. Moving on to my makeup desk, vanity, whatever. It's from IKEA. The storage on it is from Muji. It's stuffed full of stuff that I barely use, but I can't get rid of. As a room divider, I have put my wardrobe, because my room doesn't have a closet, and my dresser, and it has created like a little half wall that divides up my space. On top of my dresser, I've got all kinds of junk. I've got my boss lady sign, some plants. Yes, those are real plants. My sunglasses storage in the back from Muji, jewelry box, a watch box, a spray bottle of furniture polish that I forgot to put away, all of my jewelry. Side note, let me know if you guys want a little jewelry tour. I'm happy to show it to you. I've also got a letterpress postcard from when I worked at Shopify. My team lead sent it out, and there's a lovely note on the back, and I kept it because I really liked how it looked. Simple as that. This is my other bedside table. Same one, it matches. This one just has a plant, a candle, a picture of my dog, because yes, I am that dog mom, some more fairy lights, and another IKEA lamp. And right next to it is actually my dog's feeding station, which sounds super gross, but it's where her food and water dish are, as well as her bin of food, like the bag of it, and her bed. We kind of move it around wherever, but that's where it is right now. Let's get a little overview of my studio space, which, yes, I did not clean it up for you guys. I left it exactly as it is. I dusted a little, but this is what it generally looks like when I work out of here. I've got my sewing table with 2 sewing machines, my cutting table, my desk, my storage. It all sort of flows and functions, but it definitely is the smaller side of my room. This is my sewing table. I have a heavy-duty sewing machine from Singer, as well as a serger. It looks like this all the time, even when I'm making things on it. Next up is my junk corner. This is just a wire basket with a bunch of paper rolls and other random things in it that I don't know what to do with them, but this seems to keep them contained. Moving right along in this tour is this dresser. It is part of a bedroom set. It matches the dresser on the other side, and it contains all of my fabric, as well as has my books and other random things stored in it. I have like mailing supplies and textbooks and notebooks and all kinds of other random things in it that I probably don't need but keep anyway. And like a stack of books to go to Value Village on the end there. Now this mess is my cutting table and also where I make all of my jewelry. It is a dining table that my grandpa made a cover for so that it's all smooth on top, and I put wheels on the bottom so it can move wherever I want. There's storage on the bottom, as in I just use the bottom brace to put baskets on, and the top has been covered for months with junk. I just shove it out of the way when I need to make something, and it all creeps back eventually. I still have to make my brother's Christmas present, which are those pillows that are sitting on top, and there's other like random things on there. There is some like leather garments that I need to process and like products that I've made that are just sitting there that I haven't touched in a month or more, and I really need to clean this off so I can be actually productive. It makes me just like anxious just thinking about cleaning it all off. Alright, and in this corner we have my IKEA Alex. This is the taller one, and it's just stuff full of supplies. I also have bins of product and materials down beside because I don't have anywhere else to put them. Alright, so this is my desk, and I'm sure you guys are wondering what the hell is on the back of my chair. Happens to be a faux fur rug, and I bought it to go under my mirror, but then my dog peed on it, so I had to wash it, and I don't trust her to not pee on it again. So it now looks cute on the back of my chair, and it keeps me warm actually because this is a basement. Anyway, well, my desk is a mess. It pretty much always looks like this. I have like my checklists for filming. I have more lists and my goals for 2019, which will be an entirely separate video. I have like my headphones, charging cables, the case for my SD cards, like 2 of them are not in there right now. I have a baggie of keychains that have all the different zodiac symbols on it. Oh, and then I have these cool pen holders. They're not really pen holders. This is a planter that my friend Sarah made. She goes by Caboose Co. on Instagram, so you guys should look her up. I will link her in the description. She makes these really cool, like, speckled pottery. This is a birch stump, and they're very popular, actually. She also made this Girl Guide badge mug. And because it's not dishwasher safe, I just put it with all my pens in it. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure there's a thick layer of dust on everything on my desk because, like, I just work here. I also have my mug from earlier, which happens to be my merch. I should take this upstairs. But this is, like, what the merch looks like when you get it, which made me so happy. And I can't wait till you guys start getting some of it because, to be honest, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, and in the corner behind me, like there's a plant that gets so little attention. I water it once in a while when I remember it exists, but I'm not really sure how it's still alive. That's it. That's all I got. That's my tour. It's not that exciting, but it is a lot of things, and I want to say thank you to SilkTHX for actually sponsoring this video, which is really cool. I mean, anytime somebody wants to pay me to talk about like a product or pay me to make a video I was going to make anyway, which was on my list of videos to make for December anyway, this room tour. So yeah, it makes me happy. It makes me feel like my business is growing and that I'm seeing progress. So thank you. remember there is a discount code for SilkTHX. SilkTHX. I'm sorry, I don't know why I can't say that. Or like just in general why I can't talk properly tonight. Anyway, it's late. I'm about to hop on a live stream with you guys, which you will have already seen clearly because this isn't going up for a little bit. And yeah, if you have any questions about the products or things I talked about in my room, look in the description box first to see if there's any links. Otherwise, feel free to ask all the questions you want. Also, like, do you want to see like my jewelry collection, some of the stuff that I have? Tell me like video ideas that don't involve eating or sewing for right now. Like, definitely no eating, so know what I eat in a day, that's not happening. At least like not right now, because you guys know the deal. Anyway, I'm rambling now and I need to get more things done. All right, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.